crypto prices can change in seconds, literally faster than your favorite meme goes viral. So here's the deal, if you're not watching the market live, you could miss your chance to make a move. And trust me, nobody wants to be the guy who buys high and sells low. Unless, of course, you enjoy the thrill of regretting your life choices. But hey, let's skip that drama, shall we? So how do you stay ahead of the curve and watch live crypto prices in real time? Don't worry, I'll help you out. There are 3 simple ways to track live crypto prices. First, use a trusted app like CoinMarketCap or Coinbase. They give you instant updates, price alerts, and even historical data. Second, bookmark a crypto tracking website for desktop monitoring. And third, take advantage of widgets on your phone for a quick glance. By the way, when was the last time you checked your favorite app? If not today, are you serious about your goals? By knowing live prices, you're not just tracking numbers. You're making informed decisions. Decisions that could mean the difference between profit and missed opportunities. Here's the kicker, crypto never sleeps. While you're watching Netflix, the market is running, and those who stay informed win. So here's your next step. Download a reliable crypto tracker, set up price alerts, and start paying attention. Because in the world of crypto, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to get their crypto game moving in the right direction. Want to know the top apps for beginners? Watch my next video.